The sparkling invitation. Lina and Marco were playing in the garden when a glittering envelope floated down from the sky. Lina gasped, "Look, Marco, it's magical." Inside was a golden ticket with shimmering letters. Join the magical cooking adventure across Europe. Learn, cook, and discover life skills that last forever. Before they could blink, a swirl of colors surrounded them, and suddenly they were standing on a cobblestone street in Paris, France, smelling fresh bread and sweet pastries. A kind-faced chef with a tall hat approached. "Bonjour, I am Chef Amélie. Are you ready to cook?" Sweet beginnings in Paris. Chef Amélie led them to her kitchen filled with shiny pots and pans. "Today we will make crepes," she announced. Lina carefully poured batter into the pan. Marco, eager as ever, flipped his crepe too soon. It landed on the floor with a splat. "Patience is key," laughed Chef Amélie. "Good things take time. Cooking teaches patience." By the end of the morning, Lina and Marco had mastered thin, golden crepes. They topped them with strawberries and a drizzle of chocolate. "Cooking is magic when you take your time," said Lina, savoring her first bite. Teamwork in Spain. Next, the golden ticket whisked them to Barcelona, Spain, where the sun warmed the colorful streets. Chef Javier greeted them with a wide smile. "Hola, today we make paella," he said, showing them a giant pan filled with rice, vegetables, and saffron. This time, Marco chopped peppers carefully, while Lina stirred the rice. They learned that helping each other made the work easier and more fun. "Cooking teaches teamwork," Chef Javier explained. "When we work together, even the biggest task is simple." By evening, their paella glistened with golden saffron and fresh vegetables. The siblings clinked their spoons in celebration. Kneading and responsibility in Germany. Their journey continued to Munich, Germany, where the scent of freshly baked bread filled the air. Chef Greta waved them over to a wooden table stacked with flour. "Today we bake pretzels," she said. Lina measured the flour carefully, while Marco kneaded the dough with determination. "Responsibility is important," said Chef Greta. "When you follow steps carefully, you can create something wonderful." The siblings twisted, boiled, and baked the dough into soft golden pretzels. When they sprinkled salt on top, Lina giggled. "Cooking makes me feel grown up." Creative delights in the Netherlands. Finally, they arrived in Amsterdam, Netherlands, with canals sparkling under the sun. Chef Peter greeted them with stroopwafels, thin caramel-filled waffles. "Cooking is also about creativity," said Chef Peter. "You can mix flavors, shapes, and colors to make something uniquely yours." Lina carefully drizzled chocolate over her stroopwafel, while Marco created a zigzag pattern with caramel. They laughed at the sticky mess on their fingers, tasting their sweet creations with big smiles. The lessons of cooking. After their whirlwind adventure, Lina and Marco's magical ticket brought them home. They carried memories, new skills, and a head full of flavors. They had learned 1. Patience. Things take time, and rushing leads to mistakes. 2. Teamwork. Helping each other makes work easier and more fun. 3. Responsibility. Careful steps create success. 4. Creativity. Trying new ideas leads to wonderful surprises. A magical kitchen of their own, back in Italy, Lina and Marco opened a little kitchen stall for neighbors. They served crepes, paella, pretzels, and stroopwafels. Each dish told a story from their European adventure. Their friends and family loved the food, but more importantly, Lina and Marco shared laughter, teamwork, and creativity. Cooking had become more than just making meals. It was a magical way to learn life skills and bring joy to everyone. and every time they cooked, a sprinkle of European magic seemed to twinkle in the kitchen. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.